I'm a coding novice. Maybe you are too. I'm building this channel so that I can track my journey learning how to use GPT and Python to create code. I took a course in college and more recently a 100 days of Python course on Udemy, but it didn't really teach me everything I needed to build fully fledged apps, and it was really challenging the way it was going. I've seen lots of videos about ChatGPT making coding really simple, so I wanted to try it out for myself. If you need to learn how to download these assets, OpenAI and PyCharm, I left a link in the description to another video with download instructions. The first thing we're going to do today is just build a Hello World app. Caps lock was on, but that shouldn't cause any problems. So as you can see, it just prints out the code and even gives you some examples of how it works so that a novice like me can figure it out. All you have to do is click the copy button, paste it in here, press play, and it prints exactly what we asked it to. This is getting much more advanced than we are so far, but I'm really excited to see where this channel will be able to go and what I'll be learning next. Let's ask it what we should do next, actually. In fact, I'm just going to do whatever it says, and those will be the next 5 videos, so make sure to subscribe and let's see how it goes. That's weird, it didn't seem to want to give examples. It's loading. We can change this text to be anything we want. It's reflected right here. So there was an error, but it saved the prompt, so we have our discussion here. Let's see if we can regenerate the response. Keep in mind this program's in beta, so not everything always goes right the first time. This is something that we'll have to deal with as we progress, and part of the reason why being a human is still useful. Well, that seems like some work we got set out for us. Let's get cracking.